Why? ¿Por qué?
Naze. Come and me teach you Patwa now.
Hello everyone, welcome to Shan's Patwa Academy, Jamaican Patois Simplified. My name is Shan, your Jamaican Patois teacher from Jamaica. In today's lesson, I will teach you how to say why in Jamaican Patois, and I'll also teach you some ways to use it. So if that's something you might be interested in, please keep watching. Why in Jamaican Patois is Wamek. Wamek. And today I'm trying to use the Cassidy JLU spelling, so the spellings might even look a lot stranger than they normally do. But why is Wamek? And let's use it in some sentences. Wamek ya guan so. Wamek ya guan so. Wamek ya guan so. Why are you behaving like that? Next one. What make you do that? What make you do that? What make you do that? And that means, why did you do that? Why did you do that? And number 3, my mother said me no fi go over there, but he not tell me what make. My mother said me no fi go over there, but he not tell me what make. And this means, my mother told me not to go over there, but she didn't tell me why. Okay? My mother said me not to go over there, but him never tell me what make. Okay, so now that you know that why in English is Wamek in Jamaican Patois, please make a sentence using Wamek in the comment section below. And also, if you've made it this far in the video, please like and subscribe. And while you're at it, please check out the other videos that are on this channel.
Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine. Please like, share, and subscribe. And please hit that notification bell so that you may be notified every time when I upload a video. Also, please follow me on Instagram for daily Jamaican Patois vocabulary. Are the bell that? Class done, you know. Take care of yourself, Zine.